Good morning, 5th grade. It's Mr. Trevino. I'm going to go ahead and be reading the questions and answer choices for you for the story Going Someplace Special. So I'll read it. I'll read you the question, the answer choices, and then you can pause the video. That way you can answer it, and then you can then push play to go to the next one. So number 1. What type of figurative language does Jimmy Lee tell Trisha what's got your face all clouded up like a stormy day? Is it personification? Is it a simile? A metaphor? Onomatopoeia? What did the bus, Peace Fountain, and Southland Hotel have in common? So what was the same about all three of these places? Jim Crow laws, public restrooms, friendly artwork, spectacular artwork. What does Trisha Ann need to do before she rides the bus? Sit in the front, hold Mama Frances's hand, pay the fare, autograph the sign-in sheet. What message is chiseled in stone at the public library? Public library, books and more. Public library, all are welcome. Public library, whites only. Public library, knowledge is power. What is Trisha's someplace special? Walled garden, Peace Fountain, public library, Southland Hotel. Trisha Ann asked Mama Frances for permission to go to the farmer's market, visit her sister, go to the post office, go to someplace special. What does the grandmother mean by those signs can tell us where to sit, but they can't tell us what to think? So make sure you're showing text evidence and you respond in complete sentences. So again, what does the grandmother mean by those signs can tell us where to sit, but they can't tell us what to think? What do you think Mama Frances means by hold your head up and act like you belong to somebody? So what does Mama Frances mean? So show text evidence and respond with complete sentences. Why do you think Blooming Mary is a significant character in this story? So why is Blooming Mary an important character in this story? Show text evidence and respond with complete sentences. What is yours someplace special? What makes it so special to you? Okay, so think about somewhere that you think is special and why is it special? Make sure to answer in complete sentences using detail, and then at least 3 to 5 sentences. Okay, good luck and let me know if you need help.